under the truck. This is what I'm replacing today. I don't know how this managed to happen. But what I did was to get by until I got my new part was I bought a nut here that I could barely thread on there, and that's just so it's, you know, holding, pretty much holding. I mean, that's basically it. I don't know if it would have even mattered if I had it on or not. I don't know if that means I probably got a rear diff leak or something, but anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. And I'll be right back. So, 18. Having to okay. So it's spinning. So I'm also going to need this at the top here. That is a huge crescent wrench, so that's kind of a bummer. Also, you're gonna get a bunch of squeaks like that, and it's gonna sound terrible. I replaced this not too long ago. I guess cheap parts call for replacing more often, right? I pretty much learned my lesson. Even if it's something that's kind of like this part here, and seems like it doesn't matter. Well, apparently it does. You probably should not cheap out on it. But it comes out like that. And then you grab your new one here and get it out of the box. Looks like this. I did not bring my grease gun out, so I'm gonna have to go grab that to grease it up. Okay. So that's what it looks like, and it's probably also a cheap part because it looks like this rubber boot's not even. I don't know. I don't. There we go. If you just get angry enough at it, you might be able to get it in. So now, the other thing is, I don't think it really matters. This bolt. Slide right in this way and out the other way. So that once that happens, we can look for the other bolt or the other nut wherever it went. Oh, it's still on there. And I can just start threading this one on here by hand. Alright, it's not going anywhere. So now I just want to thread on this new one here. And this is probably not going to be great. Okay.